start by Daniel Bailey. Usain Bolt, though, getting into his running. Here he comes. Usain Bolt, challenged by Tyson Gale. Usain Bolt, 2 clear meters. Tyson Gale in second place. And in third place, the summer
9.58! Smashing the world record. Unbelievable!
My attitude is that if you push me towards something that you think is a weakness, then I will turn that perceived weakness into a strength. Worrying gets you nowhere. If you turn up worrying about how you're going to perform, you've already lost. Train hard, turn up, run your best, and the rest will take care of itself. Dreams are free. Goals have a cost. While you can daydream for free, goals don't come without a price. Time, effort, sacrifice, and sweat. How will you pay for your goals? I know what I can do, so I never doubt myself. For me, I'm focused on what I want to do. I know what I need to do to be a champion, so I'm working on it. I don't think limits. I just try to do my best and try to accomplish what I feel like I can do. Easy is not an option. No days off. Never quit. Be fearless. Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours of work. I know what I can do, so it doesn't bother me what other people think or their opinion on the situation. Kill them with success and bury them with a smile. No matter how far you get ahead of me, I'm gonna catch you. That's my mentality that I go there with. I work hard, and I do good, and I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm not going to let you restrict me. The difference between the impossible and the possible lies in a person's determination. When people see your personality come out, they feel so good, like they actually know who you are. I've worked hard over the years. I've been injured and I've worked hard through it. And I've made it. I told you all I was going to be number one. And I did just that. I don't have time to worry about the people in the back. I'm here to win.